Hello friends, today's topic Diwali picks from multiple agencies, a report. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Most brokerage companies have recently announced their Diwali picks. Many of these stocks announced by brokerage companies have been commonly recommended by multiple brokerage companies. The following is a list of stocks which have been recommended for Diwali by multiple companies. Number 1, Angel One. Philip Capital, Ventura Securities are the brokers recommended. 2, BL, Philip Capital, Prabhudas Leeladhar. 3, CAMS, Philip Capital, SBI Securities, KD Advisory. 4, Tata Motors, Prabhudas Leeladhar, Sher Khan. 5, M&M, Choice Broking, Arihant Plus. 6, Lemon Tree Hotels, Share India, Systematics. 7, Reliance Industries, HDFC Securities, JM Financial, Sher Khan. 8, Coal India, Prabhudas Leeladhar, SBI Securities. 9, Tata Power, Choice Broking, Share India. 10, SBI. The brokers recommended are HDFC Securities, KD Advisory. 11, Newgem Software, SBI Securities and Bonanza. 12, Protean, eGov, Arihant Plus and Systematic. There are names of some lesser companies in the list which can be researched. You will learn new things about business as well as stock market. We have to see whether these stocks live up to their potential in the next 1 year or so. Many times such Diwali picks do well. However, all the stocks may not perform since nobody can be correct always. Hence, you must always study before investing. If you are investing for long term, fundamental analysis is compulsory. If you are investing short term, then technical analysis is compulsory. If you invest only based on what others are saying or based on gut feeling, you will not succeed consistently and for long period. At the end of the video, here is a question. Is there some stock you are bullish for the next 1 or 2 years? If yes, type the name of the stock. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.